Then, taga saan ka, Dol? Di ba kahit di naka-follow, makita mo pa din chat? Oo, bakit? Hi, Venom. Oh, ew. Venom. No. No, long time. Yeah, long time no see. Gusto ka na? Gusto ka na? Somewhere out there, ako, I'm the Lulu, but all our friends are saying there's something between us. Really? Paano nga kita, FKJ? Hindi mo pala ako finalo? Te. You've been here on the chika, but you're not following me. Kaya pala di kita. Ayan. Update ko na lang, take. Why people are so curious about my cup size? I don't even know it. Ah, munti ka na maban. There's chika kaya I may tambay. Oh. Ayun. I guess I'm gonna update you about sa Dululu happenings ko. Pero, alam mo ba, when I sent that message to him, hindi ko muna tinignan mo ni message niya. So, sobrang kabado ako kasi, shoots, a flirt back, a flirt hard, like, walang preno. Ayun, that's why. Kaya, bago ako i-open yung message nun, naka-voice record. Voice record. Basta, naka-record siya. Video record. Screen recording. Bakit naman, tay? Dark, puro nandi inaano mo sa akin, di mo naman ako pina-follow. Grabe ka naman, T. Kaso wala na, hanggang dun lang kilig ko eh. He's really tall. Do you wanna know how tall he is? Pina-follow. Oh, pinalo na. Do you want me to describe him? Oh, tama na. 6 foot tall. He's 6 feet tall, and then great body. Like, great body, man. Yes. Good to likod. Yeah, good back. Ay, wala siyang mga artista. Mukha siya yung mismong artista. Oh no. Oh my gosh, wait lang. 6 feet tall and got absent. I'm not sure if he does have one. I don't know, but I'm more like a back person. I like backs. I like broad backs. Why? Wait, hold on a second, but like pinaka-spark. Wow. But yeah, he's fine as hell. And his personality is good as makes it even more better. Oh no. See? Ganyan ko. Oh my god. See? I don't care. What the fuck am I even saying right now? Te, tuloy na paano ko sa delulo mo. Napachismis ako sa ganyan. Nakakaya. But his personality. Ha? Teka, FKJ. Putsa ka. Pero seryoso. Wow, seryoso. Hindi ko siya like, I wouldn't be thinking about this if his personality isn't nice. Kasi, ang lamig. No, I don't like acting like this. I'm not used to be like this. Feels so cringy. Ewan ko, feels, there's, I guess I have a rule. Yeah, meron akong rules sa sarili ko. Is that, I really don't want to think about the person, but it feels like I'm violating yung pagkatao nila. Ang weird, no? So yeah, I cannot imagine if for example, if I'm doing something, you know what I mean? I can't, hindi ko ma-imagine, I can't imagine things like may tao, something like that. And then, pag kinikilig ako, nag-cringe ako sa sarili ko. Hindi ko, I cannot, I feel like I'm violating them. And I really don't want to. Why am I like this? You're doing something, doing the chores, yeah, doing the chores. N- no, it's just general. Like what I mean. I don't want the. Oh. Hello, te. Basta lang ata pinapalala yung situation ko ngayon. Basta, you know what I mean. At KJ. Basta, ayun. So, like, being delulu, it's like, ah, yeah, di ko na-imagine. So, wag naman ganun, te. Please. Shit, pinakita ko sa ulit. Alam mo ba, screenshot ko yung live, pinakita ko lahat eh. Yung kita lang Prime Elise and then yung how many viewers. Sana hindi niya alam yung Bigo. Sana hindi niya alam. Sana hindi namin alam. Sana hindi niya alam. Oh my God. True. Totoo yan. Good evening, Danley.